Hi, I'm Jack, CIO of Elements.cloud. Now we've learnt about how to structure your topics using the AIM. We've been through the fundamentals of mapping agent processes and generating natural language instructions. And to finish off this series, we're now going to dive into the testing and a little bit about the governance of your agent using the process map. So we're looking here again at our book a vacation topic process. So if we go into Agent Builder, I'm going to quickly test this, but also run you through it in parallel with the processes so we can get an idea of how the mechanics work. So I want to book a vacation. So if we come back to the process, what we should see here is this is our first if. So if request from current user to book holiday, then check that request has duration, date and description. So the agent should be coming back to me and going, please provide a duration, date and description, which it's doing here. So the start date, we're going to go for the 23rd of January 2025. And we're going to do it for 2 days for a family holiday. So I'm saying to the agent, I want to book that date for 2 days for a family holiday. Now what the agent should now go and do is it should run through the entire process using our if and thens. So if required data is provided, which I've done, check it's in half-day increments, check as a UK employer I have enough holiday days remaining, check it's not a check it is a working day, check if it's not in the past, and then finally go and book that vacation and inform you that it's been booked. So as we've said, it's now gone and booked that holiday because the 23rd of January is a Thursday. It's not a weekend, and I have enough holiday remaining. So if we really quickly go through, so you can see it here. So check date if in the past and vacation start date. So there's the vacation start date action, and there's the check date is in the past action. We're also going through, we're checking the remaining holiday vacation, so checking I have enough days, which is there, and then finally booking that vacation. Now I'm going to mix things up a little bit here. So say for example, what if I wanted to add a step into my process where I'm reconfirming the summary back to the end user before I go and book? So what we're actually able to do is if we go to this process here, I've added this box. So if provided duration, date and description, then confirm to end user the summary and details provided. If I now want to go and test this, naturally what most people would do is go into the topic and they probably start adjusting their instructions and the text in the instruction box. Don't do that. Go and change it on the process. The reason is we're starting to build a level of governance and audit behind your process. So here, if I then go and generate these instructions, so I've changed the process, I'm now regenerating these instructions. So there's the new instructions. If I then go into the agent builder, as previously shown, I can remove these and simply paste those in, and then we can start testing. The governance piece, so it can, again, through snapshots, you can see the change logs and when the instructions were generated. But you can also go a step further with your governance also in the fact that we have releases. So here we can see way back to version 1, so we can see how much this diagram has changed. And if I was to click through here, you can also see who made the change, when it was made, and what part of the release with the version history. So version 1 was published by myself. So we're giving you a level of governance around your process map